guys, it's me, Sky, and Chloe. Chloe. Chloe, and today we are. Oh, it's drawing. It's drawing. Chloe, drawing. Chloe, it's. Go. Okay, let's go. We only have 10 minutes to finish. Only 10 minutes. Okay, so we have to make this quick. I will pick a color while making. If you want to pick a color, you have to make your eyes closed. Oh, pink. No, again. It's purple. I picked purple. So the highlight for this is spooky season. Ew, I'm spooky. Oh shoot, the head. Okay, Chloe. I will give you a guess. Mine is with wolf ears. With wolf ears, okay, wolf ears, and and I have purple hair, and she's holding a knife. What's your guess? Yeah. Okay. What's? Let me guess yours. Oh my god! No, you have to make a clue. You should use language. You should use language. Sorry guys, Chloe don't know how to. She always says bad words because she is already 11 years old, almost 12. Right, Chloe? Next year you're already 12, right? No, next year, next year, next year, girl, next year. Yo, why are you so fast? Dude, how are you so fast at drawing? How do you draw super fast? It's oh my god, it's a brown now. Okay. And I will have a black eye. A black eye because somebody punched me. You know the reason why I always have black eyes? All the time they punch me. Oh my god. Ah, I'm lagging. I'm so lagging. Okay, the lagging stopped for some reason. Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. You'll be back, okay? Okay. Oh no, my phone.